So if we talk about the display, this is 6.1 inches, but all the data has been successfully transferred. So there is an upgrade in battery capacity also. Hello everyone, this is iPhone 16 in white color. I just bought this new phone. I have also transferred my older phone the data, which was iPhone 13, and I wanted to try iCloud, so this time I used iCloud in data transferring, but it was slow than expected. It took around 2 to 3 hours in transferring the app's data of like 20 GB. But if I would have selected the iPhone to iPhone transfer, then it should have taken much lesser time. But all the data has been successfully transferred. I just have to relog in some of the logins to get the things synchronized, like email or Facebook. They had to uh, relog in into the new device. I have used this iPhone for a few of the hours and I like the performance, and everything is very smooth and fast. And charging port type is C, which is USB 2, and this is the SIM tray. We can use two SIM, one is nano SIM and other is eSIM. So these are the volume buttons, and this button is some type of different button now, like if I compare with iPhone 13. we can press it for like silence, or if we have to make it ringing or silent. So this is the press button. So this is the power button or for shutting down or multifunction button, and this is the camera button. We can see it here, and there are the choice. We can select how you would like to use this button for zooming function or something. The other options are available here. Like if I would like to select it for the zoom, you just need to touch it slowly. So this is how we can use this one. So if you talk about the display, this is 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display, and backside is aluminum with glass, color infused glass display. There is also a small of the notification display here, which works whenever we do some of the activities. So this is like a notification bar. It used to be named as like dynamic island. So it provides some different type of notification here. If you talk about the camera, the front camera is which is selfie camera, that is 12 megapixel, and these are the dual cameras, which is a fusion camera in this version, and one is 48 megapixel and the other one is 12 megapixel. If we talk about the processor, this is a Bionic A18 processor in this, with the 6 core CPU and 5 core GPU, and comes with the 16 core neutral engine. If we talk about the battery life, this has battery of 3561 mAh, which has, like if we compare with the iPhone 13 which I was using earlier, so this is 10% more than the earlier one, iPhone 13. So there is a upgrade in battery capacity also. If you compare about the brightness, this has the better brightness. If you check about the weight, it is like 170 grams of the weight, which is very light. This phone also comes with Apple Intelligence. So in near future, whatever the upgrades related to Apple Intelligence would be coming, this phone would be suitable for those updates. This phone also has RAM of like 8 GB, so that the Apple Intelligence other functionality can work very smoothly. If we check about the Wi-Fi, this has the newest version of Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi 7 at presently. And if we check about the Bluetooth, this has the Bluetooth version of 5.3. If we check about the IP rating, this has IP68, which can survive into 6 meters of in depth for up to 30 minutes. So all the functionality is very good in this phone, and this is working very smooth. Camera quality is also very good. If we check it,